top secret tricks in your Android phone. So if you want to know the top secret tricks in your Android phone, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your settings. Now you can go with the search, and under search you can search for accessibility. And under accessibility you will have a gesture which is called magnification gesture. So you can simply go and turn on your magnification gesture, or you can also search for magnification, tap on it, and here you will have the magnification option. Now if you turn on your magnification, then you'll be able to zoom in to your home screen. So that's one trick. Now the other trick, the second one is you can remove the background of your image without installing any application. So to do that, you need to open up your browser, and after that you need to search for remove.bg, and here you just need simply tap on upload image and then upload some image from your gallery, and you'll be able to remove your background without installing any third-party application. And the other trick is phone call. So without any balance in your SIM, you can do a phone call to different countries. To do that, you can again go with your search and search for Globe Phone. Once you've searched, tap on globephone.com, and from here you need to tap on call option, which is on the fourth one. So tap on call, and after that enter your name, your mobile number, and after that you'll be able to call online for free. So that was the third trick. So these were the few tricks in your Android phone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.